An idea circulating in business circles is the use of AI agents to automate affiliate marketing and other online tasks for the purpose of generating revenue. Stay with me until the end of this video, because we will examine whether this new business idea actually works. But like this video right now for good karma. So, what exactly are these agents? They are a group of AIs, each doing a separate job. Think of them like employees. For example, one AI agent is for building landing pages, another for video editing, another for email marketing, and various other digital tasks. Just like it would happen with real employees, the AIs collaborate with each other to achieve goals. As we understand, this business idea seems to be a very promising and profitable source of passive income. A popular business idea, as I mentioned at the beginning, is affiliate marketing. That is, to get ready-made affiliate links from an affiliate hub like ClickBank, essentially a bank of affiliate links where you take them ready-made and promote them, and then have AI agents promote these links for you by creating landing pages, videos, doing email marketing, etc. The goal is to generate traffic, meaning to get clicks and earn commissions without doing anything. Indeed, it sounds like a dream, but there is a problem. Affiliate marketing is not just about creating a landing page and waiting for money. The biggest challenge is building an audience. Even if AI can create content, who will see it? Successful affiliate marketers employ many strategies to gain traffic, such as SEO, social media presence, paid advertising, and community building. The idea that AI will find the audience on its own is mistaken, and this lies in the limitations of AI autonomy. AI can optimize, speed up processes, and automate tasks, but it cannot create a dedicated audience out of nowhere. Without a real marketing strategy, AI-generated landing pages and emails will remain obscure, no one will visit them, and there will be no conversions. What is truly frustrating is that many people enter businesses with unrealistic expectations, absorb advice from various sources, remain theoretical, have never run a real business, and believe that success is just a formula they can follow. Now, especially with AIs, they believe they have found a shortcut, a digital workforce that will do everything while they enjoy the profits. However, real entrepreneurs, or at least those who have yesterday built something sustainable, know that success requires trials, failures, and adaptation. Of course, don't be discouraged here, because this doesn't mean that AI doesn't have a role in profitability. AI-powered tools can help automate repetitive tasks, create content, analyze data, and optimize advertising campaigns. When used correctly, AI can boost productivity and scale existing businesses. However, the idea that AI is the business itself is wrong. So, can you really make money from AI agents? Yes, but only if you already know what you're doing and use them to automate tasks that, bring in people and sales. So, in simpler terms, what should you do? If you want to do affiliate marketing and earn passive income with AI agents, learn everything about affiliate marketing. Experiment, practice, test until you find what works for you and what doesn't.